Let's superimpose a really tight hip flexor so she can extend her lumbar spine. So in this position, by using reciprocal inhibition, I'm going to be able to do a stretch, and I'm replicating Karen's kneeling position. So if I hold onto here, what I want you to do is, as you're going to breathe in, as you breathe out, do a posterior pelvic tilt, and then I can introduce more stretching. So if you don't, do you mind me showing your tummy?
No.
Okay. So what I'm looking for is, as Karen does a relax, breathe in, as you breathe out, engage your pelvis. So you've got the seat really strong. And I can also feel the glutes working, so we're getting a decent stretch through here. Mm-hmm. We've got to really be careful not to drop it, take it too high, otherwise you'll end up, if it's too high, then it's your ITT is maybe the cause of it. But if you're into neutral, doing a pelvic tilt for me again, good. So I'll be very comfortable doing that on the patient as a manual therapy technique.
I love the fact that you're breathing out while she does the exercise.
I just practice what I preach. That's the kind of thing I say, look, now you've done the kneeling, the effectively kneeling, but me doing it with you, that's what you need to be doing at home. So in the kneeling position, do the pelvic tilt, get that lengthening sensation, get your lower traps working at the same time, and make it engage so that the whole process is working.